Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Conversation Podcast. My name is Sarah, and I'm so happy to have you here with us today.
Hi, Sarah, and hello to all our new and returning listeners. It's great to see you, or maybe just to talk to you, wherever you're listening from in the world.
Absolutely, Daniel. Today's topic is a really useful one, especially if you're just starting to speak English. We're going to help you learn how to talk about yourself, how to introduce yourself simply and confidently.
Yes, whether you're meeting someone for the first time, starting a new job or class, or just practicing with friends, introductions are the first step in a good conversation. So, if you sometimes feel nervous or unsure about what to say, we'll show you that it's easy with just a few simple phrases.
And don't worry, we'll break everything down, give you lots of examples, and practice together so you can use these sentences in real life.
Before we start, we want to thank you all for your support. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to follow or subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you find today's lesson helpful, share it with a friend who's learning English.
Ready to begin? Great! Let's jump into how to talk about yourself in English step by step.
So, Sarah, let's start with a simple question. Why do introductions matter so much when we speak English?
That's a great place to begin, Daniel. Introductions are like the door to a conversation. When you meet someone for the first time, your introduction is how you invite them in and start to connect.
Exactly. Whether you're meeting a new classmate, talking to a teacher, saying hello at work, or chatting with someone online, a good introduction helps you feel more confident and helps the other person feel comfortable too.
Right. Some learners feel shy or think, my English isn't perfect, I can't do this. But the truth is, you only need a few simple sentences to make a great first impression.
Let's break down some key words. When we say introduction, we mean telling someone your name and maybe a little about yourself, like where you're from or what you do.
And another useful word, beginner. If you're just starting to learn English, simple, friendly introductions are the best way to get practicing.
And confident. It means feeling strong and sure. With practice, using introductions will help you feel confident every time you start a new conversation.
So remember, introductions aren't just words. They're the first step to making new friends, starting work or school, or just having a good chat with someone.
Don't worry if your English isn't perfect. The goal is just to start speaking and connecting.
Coming up next, we'll show you the easiest phrases to use for your first introduction in English. Ready? Let's go. Okay, Daniel, let's show our listeners how easy it is to introduce themselves in English. We'll start with the basics.
Great idea, Sarah. So, the first phrase you need is simple. My name is, for example, my name is Daniel. Sarah, can you show us?
Of course. My name is Sarah. Easy, right? Just say your name slowly and clearly.
Next, you might want to say where you're from. Try, I am from, and then your country or city. Like, I am from Canada.
Or, I am from London. If you're a student or you work, you can say, I am a student, or I am an engineer. Daniel, let's hear you.
Sure, I am a teacher. Let's put these together. My name is Daniel. I am from Canada. I am a teacher.
Perfect. Now, listeners, repeat after us and try with your own details. My name is. I am from. I am a.
Don't worry about your pronunciation. Just speak slowly and practice a few times. Each time you say it, you'll feel more confident.
And here's a bonus phrase if you want to add more. Nice to meet you. It's friendly and polite. For example, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Let's review. My name is Daniel. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Fantastic, Daniel. These phrases are your building blocks. Keep practicing, and soon introductions will be easy for you.
Up next, we'll talk about how to share your hobbies and interests when you introduce yourself. Stay with us.
Now that listeners know how to introduce themselves, let's help them add a little personality by talking about hobbies and interests.
Yes, Sarah. Sharing what you like helps you connect with people and makes conversations more interesting. You don't need complicated words. Just start with I like and add your hobby.
Exactly. For example, I like reading, or I like playing football. Daniel, what about you? What are your hobbies?
I like playing guitar and cooking. How about you, Sarah?
I like gardening and listening to music. See? It's easy. Just say, I like, plus your favorite thing.
For beginners, it's fine to keep sentences short. You can also say, I enjoy, if you want to sound a little different. Like, I enjoy painting.
Here are some simple words for common hobbies. Reading, swimming, dancing, traveling, watching movies.
Listeners, you can try repeating, I like swimming. I enjoy watching movies. Switch the hobby and practice with your own.
And if you're not sure about vocabulary, you can always use a dictionary or search online for words like hobbies in English. But start simple, one hobby at a time.
Learning these phrases lets you share a bit about who you are and what you love. It makes introductions more fun and friendly.
In the next part, we'll show you how to describe your personality and feelings in easy English. Stay tuned.
Now, let's show our listeners how to talk about their personality and feelings. Another great way to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, describing your personality helps people get to know you better. It's not scary. Just a few words can make a big difference. You can say, I am friendly, or I am quiet. Daniel, how would you describe yourself?
I'm friendly, and I'm sometimes a little shy in big groups. How about you, Sarah?
I'm outgoing, and I am always curious. Listeners, you can use I am plus an adjective to tell others about yourself. Here are some simple examples. I am helpful. I am cheerful. I am patient.
You can also describe your feelings. For example, today I am happy, or I'm excited to meet new people. It's great for making your introduction personal.
Let's try together. Repeat. I am friendly. I am shy. I am happy. Practice with adjectives that describe you.
And if you want to learn new adjectives, look up lists like English Adjectives for Beginners. They're easy to find online, and you can try using a new word every day.
So remember, introductions aren't just about facts. They're about feelings and personality, too. Say how you feel, and you'll connect better with others.
Coming up, we'll put it all together and practice complete introductions. Stay with us.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice real introductions together. We'll say some examples, and you can repeat after us. You can also pause the podcast and try your own words.
Let's start with a simple introduction for meeting a friend. Hi, my name is Daniel. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like playing guitar. I am friendly. Nice to meet you.
Great. Now I'll do one. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from London. I am a student. I like dancing and reading. I am curious. Nice to meet you.
Now let's try a formal introduction for work or school. Good morning. My name is Daniel Smith. I am from Canada. I am an engineer at ABC Company. I enjoy cooking in my free time. I am responsible and positive. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Or maybe a casual one with a classmate. Hey, I'm Sarah. I'm from London. I'm a student here, and I love movies. I'm easygoing. Nice to meet you.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Use your own name, your city, your job or hobby, and a word about your personality. Pause and repeat after us, or make up your own.
If you want, say it out loud a few times. It helps you remember. You can even write your introduction down or record yourself speaking.
And remember, you can mix these sentences any way you like. The important thing is to practice again and again.
You're doing great. In our next segment, we'll talk about some common mistakes and easy ways to fix them. Keep going. Okay, let's talk about mistakes. Everyone makes them when learning English, and that's okay. The most important thing is to keep trying.
Absolutely, Sarah. We see some common errors in introductions, and we want to help you fix them easily.
Mistake number 1, forgetting to use a or an before your job or hobby. For example, I am teacher is not correct. You should say, I am a teacher.
Right. The same with I am engineer. It should be I am an engineer. Just remember a for words that start with a consonant and an for words starting with a vowel.
Mistake number 2, word order. Sometimes learners say, from Japan I am. But in English, it's I am from Japan. Always start with I am.
Mistake number 3. Forgetting to add S when you talk about hobbies you do as a group, like playing cards instead of playing card, or reading books, not reading book.
Here's another tip. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation or grammar at the beginning. Speak slowly, listen to native speakers, and practice often. You will improve.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each time you try, you get better. English speakers will understand, and they appreciate your effort.
So keep practicing, learn from errors, and always feel proud of your progress.
In our next segment, we'll give you some motivation and share a quick story about building confidence with English. Let's keep moving forward.
We know learning a new language can feel scary sometimes, but remember, every person starts as a beginner, and every small effort makes you stronger.
Let me share a quick story. When I started learning Spanish, I was nervous making mistakes. I remember saying, I am rice instead of I am tired, but everyone just smiled and helped me. Those little mistakes helped me learn fast.
That's wonderful, Daniel. The same is true in English. If you speak out loud, you become braver every day. Practice, even just 2 or 3 sentences, can grow your confidence quickly.
And don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your journey. Celebrate each time you say something new or understand a word in a conversation.
If you ever feel stuck, remember, the most important thing is to keep going. You are learning, you are improving, and you are doing something amazing.
We believe in you. Keep practicing those introductions, keep speaking, and know that every day brings you closer to your goal.
Let's get ready for a quick review and a fun challenge before we finish today's episode.
Wow, we've learned so much today.
Let's quickly review the important steps for introducing yourself in English.
First, you can greet someone and say your name. My name is Daniel. Then, mention where you're from. I am from Canada. Next, your job or what you do. I am a teacher. You can add a hobby. I like playing guitar. And talk about your personality. I am friendly. Finish with a polite phrase, nice to meet you.
Remember, we talked about why introductions matter, shared easy phrases, spoke about hobbies and feelings, practiced together, learned how to fix common mistakes, and got motivated to keep going.
We hope you can use these examples and ideas to make your own introduction. Pause, repeat, and practice as often as you like. If you want, write your own introduction in the comments. We love reading and giving you feedback.
Every step helps you become a better English speaker. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Thank you so much for joining us today on the English Conversation podcast. We hope you enjoyed practicing your introductions and feel ready to use them in real life.
If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to follow our podcast so you never miss a new lesson. Share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English, and please leave us a review or a comment. It really helps others find our show.
We love hearing from you. Tell us about your own introduction or give us feedback on the episode in the comments.
And remember, every practice session brings you closer to your English goals. Keep learning, keep connecting, and we'll see you next time.
Until then, have a great day and happy learning.